Alright y'all, so today's video, oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't posted in such a long time, but we are deep cleaning this bathroom and the kids' bathroom. Nothing else today because I'm going to spend a few more, just more of my time in here, just kind of getting into the nitty gritty of things. I'm going to do my normal wiping down the counters, the mirrors, but I'm going to work in that toilet room. I'm going to scrub and just do a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and check to see if all my batteries are charged because my camera, all the batteries are dead. So, and I'm also gonna put my hair up in a bun and get this started because you guys, my hair, I mean, look at this. It's just like, I have so much hair, you guys. I still haven't found a hairstylist here in Alabama. I had a hairstylist back in Atlanta, but yeah, so this is about 4 years of not doing anything to my hair. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this up in a bun, check my cameras, or check my batteries, and then get started with this entire mess. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It feels like it's been forever since I've said that, you guys. I have not uploaded a video in such a long time, but here I am. This is a quick video. I am deep cleaning in both bathrooms. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been so busy that I feel like I've been neglecting my home. So since the kids are home for the summer, they have been taking care of their bedrooms every day. So that's why I feel a little less, I guess, overwhelmed. But I am working full time now and I get home like about 5:30. Then I have to cook, then I have to clean up after I cook. And you know, and then by that time we're spending a little bit of family time and then it's time for bed and doing it again the next day. But I have not been able to film, but I do film little things and I do post it on my TikTok. So if you're not following me there, go ahead and do that. It's Carla Alexandra 37. And then I also post things on my Instagram as well. I find it easier to post on TikTok because I can, you know, film on my phone, edit on my phone, and upload it. So but I hope you guys enjoy this quick video today. It's just me deep cleaning the bathroom. Like I said, I have been neglecting these bathrooms because we've been so busy. We've been redoing the formal dining room. We're turning that into a bedroom, and that's going to be another video. So yeah, it's just been super crazy, but I hope you guys enjoy this quick video. So let's go ahead and get into that. All right, y'all, a few things I want to share with you right here. So the pink stuff, you definitely have to go get that. That thing is amazing. Both the multi-purpose spray and the paste. Awesome. They work great. The next thing is, so I use this window cleaner. It's called Sprayway. I started using it recently. Oh my gosh, I love it. But the other thing that I learned, and I got it off of TikTok, if you clean your mirrors with the light on, like above the mirror, it's going to leave a streak. So turn your lights off and then go ahead and wipe down your mirror and you'll notice the difference. You'll see there are no streaks. So kind of test that out next time. Let me know how it works for you guys. But this is my first time doing it in this video. I went ahead and turned off the lights and cleaned both mirrors and no streaks. So yeah, definitely go ahead and give that a try. Let me know if it works. You just come running by. it is done. Oh my gosh, you guys, I spent so much time in this bathroom. I didn't film every single thing I did, but I did a lot in here. So let's go in here. So I cleaned all this up, but yeah, everything in here is cleaned. I cleaned up this vent here, baseboards. I only dusted the baseboards in here because they weren't too bad. Dusted this. This, by the way, is test paint. I'm trying to see which color I like, and they both look the same. I don't like either of them. Okay, and in here, I went ahead. This is not stained. This is like a shadow of this, like it's casting a shadow. It's super, I don't know, it's weird. But I cleaned that. I cleaned under this stuff right here. And then what I learned from TikTok was if you want streak-free mirrors, turn off these lights up here, because if you leave them on, it'll streak your mirror. And I have noticed that in the past. Like if you look at my other videos, I always wipe down the mirror with the lights on, but they said just turn these lights off and then you won't notice any streaks. So I tried it and there are definitely no streaks in my mirrors. Like typically I would have seen them like at the top, but yeah. The only thing I did not do is this shower, because I decided I think I'm gonna do that when I actually take a shower. So before I shower tonight, I'm gonna go ahead and scrub all that, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and shower. So I'm just gonna leave this for last because this is gonna take me some time and I really need to get into the kids' bathroom. So that's it for this one. We're gonna go ahead and go into their bathroom.
What you're putting in, all your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring?
Okay, the bathroom is done. And let me show you the little clip gel. My battery died, so I couldn't film putting it in, but these things are awesome, especially this scent, the mango, I think it's hibiscus, but it smells really good. Like I can smell it right now as I'm standing right here by it. So I put that in there, and then I left these towels here because my stepdaughter has a friend over and they're using these towels here. So we're gonna leave that there, and that is it for this video, you guys. So if you enjoyed it, leave it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.